Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. I'm inside my van. The air conditioning is on, so if it's kind of noisy, I'm sorry, but not, because it's 108 degrees outside. So I wanted to do this video just to kind of chat with you guys, you know, see what's up, tell you guys what's up, kind of let you know what I'm working on, what's to come, what Wynston and I are up to. So my van is pretty much ready to go for our trip on the 14th. We're leaving. So we leave for our Minnesota family trip on July 14th. Our end goal is Hayward, Wisconsin, because that's where the family cabin is. So that's where we are going to be spending a week of our time. But once I get to Minnesota, I'll be in Maple Grove for a few days because that's where my grandma lives. So I'm going to be staying with my grandma and in Wisconsin at the cabin. So I won't be camping, which is fine with me because that humidity and the weather is just kind of crappy to camp in my opinion. But I'm really looking forward to it. So we leave on the 14th. And the van is all set, so that's kind of our next big adventure. And at that point, we'll be gone probably for about 6 weeks total. So the plan is to leave on July 14th. My hair is crazy. July 14th, and then be gone until basically like September 1st, because I have a busy September here in Arizona, and then courtside season starts in like October and November. And I'm in a wedding. I'm a bridesmaid in a wedding, you guys. I'm going to be dressed up in a gown with my hair and makeup done. I'll show you guys a picture, don't worry. Since I never have my hair and makeup done, ever. This is as good as it gets. So, that is kind of our plan. So I keep all my travel notes in my notebook, and I've actually been sharing pictures of my travel notes on Patreon. So if you haven't joined us over there, definitely be sure to do so, because I do all sorts of math and take all sorts of notes, and I'm sharing all of my travel notes over in Patreon, and I'm also sharing them in Google Documents. So if you are a patron of mine, then you have access to Google Documents, which is broken down by state. So I'm working on that, and also all my patrons get a free Adventuring with Amanda sticker, which I'll have available for purchase soon. And I had examples to show you, but I don't know where I just put them. So, like, I literally don't know where I put my stickers that I just had with me. So, but if you haven't seen them, I have posted, and I'll give you guys all the details to purchase stickers once I have them for you. They'll be available to buy on my website. It's just not done yet. So that is that order of business. In the meantime, definitely become one of my patrons. If you support me every month, then I'm going to send you a free sticker, and you get access to all of, like I said, all my personal travel notes. So definitely check us out over there. Next, I have a couple of products that I'm going to be reviewing, and I'm going to be reviewing them, of course, on YouTube, and so I just want to tell you about what's coming in terms of that. So first, I'm going to be reviewing this DC inverter from Sun Life. It's available for purchase on Amazon. I am going to be reviewing it. I needed a product like this, and I'm very excited to test it out. So that review will be coming up on my YouTube probably within the next 6 weeks. I need to really give it a good test and see how much I like it, you know, on my travels. So once I'm done with that, I'll get a review up of that. And I also have a 15% off discount code for you guys, so I'll be sharing that as well. I got a cooling blanket. Because when I went to San Diego recently, it was just a little bit humid, and I was like, I'm just realizing that right now my van is full of fleece blankets, and I need something cooler. So I snagged this cooling blanket. Oh my gosh, I should put it on myself right now. So this is a throw size, and as you can see, it's kind of like see-through, because it's made out of like this nylon ice fabric or something. I don't even know. But both sides are cooling. As you can see, it's incredibly thin. But I bought this cooling blanket, so I'm going to use this in the van for camping. In the meantime, you know, on this video, I'll put a link in the description in case you want to try it. Like, I'm already a fan of it. I was using it inside my house, actually. But yeah, it's made out of cooling nylon with icy jade fiber and rayon. And that's the surface. So that's the striped side. And then the green side, the solid side, is cooling nylon with icy jade fiber 100%. So it's a really lightweight, cool blanket, great for humidity, like if you sweat. And I think it'll be really awesome, but I'll let you guys know how I do with it as Wynston and I travel. Whoops, I just whacked my fan. As Wynston and I travel a little bit more, but I wanted to show you guys because a lot of people have been, you know, it's super hot literally everywhere. But I'm the type of person who I need something on top of me at night, so this will be perfect. That's my little cooling blanket, and then it comes in this little bag, and it's super compact, of course, so it doesn't take up a lot of space, which in a minivan, space is everything. Or in a tent, or, well, in any rig, like, let's be honest. In any rig, space is everything. So this blanket is a space saver, and so far I recommend it. So I have that, and then the other thing that I'm going to be reviewing is actually a 20-liter soft-sided cooler. That will arrive to me on Tuesday. I'm working with the brand to do the review, and I think that cooler will be really nice for more outdoorsy stuff, like hiking, like parties, boating. I'm gonna test it out, you know, on the boat in Wisconsin when we're at the cabin. So I'm reviewing that 20-liter soft-sided cooler as well. And then this, and then I'll let you guys know what I think about the blanket because I just received that as well. So yeah, I think that's it. I just wanted to check in with you guys and catch you up on everything that I'm doing. We have Wynston and I have 10 days until we leave. So the next 10 days, I'm just going to be kind of doing stuff like this, you know, making sure the van's ready, I have everything I need. I'm happy with my fridge. You know, I'm still deciding on the power station for my fridge, so that's something that I'm working on and doing in the meantime. And I think that's it. So my seat, I love it. I just decided to sit right here for the purposes of lighting. There's my other van. Yeah, like make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, guys. I'm really trying to hit 10,000 by the end of the summer, so it's super helpful. Like this video, subscribe to us on Patreon. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram because I post a lot of videos and like photos there, so you can see Wynston and I on a more consistent basis if you follow us on Instagram. And stickers are available for purchase soon, and you get a free one if you're a patron. Mwah. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you so much. Wynston and I will see you on our next adventure.